Two 11s. So we've got one change for both sides. We'll start with the Afghan team, and a really special evening day indeed for Bashir Ahmed, who comes in, the left arm seamer. He replaces Noor Ahmed as the one change to the starting 11. Mustafiza Rahman misses out this evening. Move on to those ODIs, and then Tanzim Hassan Saqib comes in to the side with his express pace.
144 to win it 3-0 for Bangladesh. Can Afghanistan respond with the ball today? So Bangladesh captain winning the toss and inserting Afghanistan to bat. He managed only 143 for 9, with Rasuli contributing 32, Siddiq getting 28, impetus provided by Mujib 23 of 18, Saifuddin taking 3 for 15 in 3 overs. Nasum once again outstanding, 2 for 24. And in response, Bangladesh getting over the line in 18 overs with a fantastic half century from Shaif. 64 of just 38 deliveries, Mujib with 2 wickets. Bangladesh win the game by 6 wickets and series by 3-0.